guys, today I will talk about how can you send a message on your Clubhouse app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, so you just go down here, click here in this sign down. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here or messages list. Then all you have to do, just click in this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all uh, uh, contacts you have. I have no one. Or here can you search for person you want to send a message. So then it's when he's going to show for you, just click on it, then you send a message. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.